Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sulolak, and setting up this space just took me almost an hour and I'm already tired. Like, I've not even started the actual work and I already want to give up, but that's a lie. We don't do that here. I always review my wardrobe to make sure that the things that I have I actually like. So before I put them in here, even though I just declutter them, I'm going to make sure that I still like the clothes, because it's always good to check in, because sometimes I might have been at an emotional state living with the clothes thinking, oh, I will definitely wear this, but now I know for sure, or at least to some level, I can be able to be honest with myself that will I really wear this clothes. Anyway, I hope you find this video very helpful in helping you to just navigate your wardrobe for day-to-day wear, because I always get asked a lot about how I pair outfits, and honestly it's just the visual. I don't know how to do the whole math of this kind of color of outfit goes to this color of outfit. I barely learned colors in school. However, I do know that if I see this and this together visually, if it looks good in the mirror, I like it. If I like it, that's good enough for me. I think a lot, what my huge champion is, just like my girl, Rihanna, is confidence. Like, it doesn't have to make sense to anyone else. If I like it, that's good enough for me. Let's get into it. I feel like everything that has to do with clothes is such a chore. Like, but I feel like folding clothes is still the least horrible. Like washing clothes, rinsing clothes, spreading clothes, packing clothes. Those are quite horrible things. Ironing clothes. Don't even talk to me about ironing. Please, this is not a folding tutorial. I'm quite horrible at it, but I do my best for it not to scatter in the wardrobe. So first tip I would say is knowing your personal style. Growing up with three sisters, very much of what my style was just seeing what they wore and what they gave me to wear. So a lot of my clothes, in fact, I got it from my sisters. But like as I grew older, when I was in uni, when I got into university, I learned what my style was, and what really helped was also Pinterest. So I would say pay very much attention. I'm going to pick the place that has the biggest, because pants and jeans. Yes, so I'm going to say create a mood board on Pinterest of all the kinds of outfits that you like. So for example, let's say you search style 2024 into Pinterest, or you say black girl style 2024, or even go body style 2024, whatever, and then you just go, or even body style, first of all, don't put a year, and you just search through all the things that you like, and you just create like a pin of this board. You search for things that appeal to you, that look good to you, you put them together. Now, what do all of these things have in common? For me, it will always have pants. I love pants because they just make you, I feel like they make me look confident, they make me look long. I'm obsessed with tall women, and I definitely want to always look tall. So pants are such a great staple for me, and they are things that I love to wear. Because of that, I sewed these pants because I just sometimes can't get the ones I like. So yes, create like a board of this. The more you teach your Pinterest the things that you like, the more you save things that you like, the more it will make it easier for you to find outfits, or for you to open your homepage and see things that will suit you. Basically, clothes that influencers or people that you look up to, your style icons, what they wear, notice what it is in common, what you really love about it, and also clothes that make you feel confident. So speaking of comfort and paying attention to what you feel most confident in, like what kind of outfits do you feel like when you wore this, or you were very comfortable? Because I really don't believe in wearing clothes and then going or tugging. Like, I really don't like it. When I was younger, yes, but like now I just want to breathe. Let the girl breathe. So I always go for dresses, and one day I realized that I had so many dresses, and it wasn't because I was seeking out dresses, but I just found them really comfortable to throw on and take off. And for example, this dress now, I've never worn it out. I've only used it for a video once or twice, but I've actually never properly worn it out. But I have hope one day this feels relevant to keep, because someone will be like, oh, that means that I would never wear it, but I just haven't had anywhere to wear it to. But that's something that you need to also be careful of. Clothes that you typically won't be able to wear out, and because if you're somebody that goes to work all the time, Monday to Fridays, you're always at work, there are certain clothes that actually, work clothes is not a staple to have. You need to have certain basic pieces. I'll go into basic pieces to make sure that your wardrobe is actually full of things that you wear. This is a minority, you see. I actually realized that I should actually hang this and not fold. These are such a staple that they always elevate a look, right? Everybody knows it's simple, you can easily wear it on. When you wear a jacket, it makes the outfit immediately look have been. But like, I really worried about wearing this because I kept thinking, crop jacket, how would I style this? But obviously from my Instagram page, I've styled this many times. Pinterest, I feel like suddenly I woke up and then jeans skirts were back, and thankfully I got one that was handed down from my mom down to my sister, and now it's my size. Skirts, I barely wear skirts, so that's going to go to the little. Something I really love to have in my wardrobe are two pieces. They're just easier to style. You can wear them together, you can wear them separately. And another thing I like to do is to wear bright colors whenever I feel dull. Yesterday I was going to work and I had to felt like rubbish, and I was going to wear black, and I was not just any kind of black, but my office brand of black, like my office branded shirts. But then I was like that maybe my clothes will rub off on me, and by the time the day was over, I was in a good mood. Probably the people, probably the clothes, who knows. But like Jola from I Said What I Said podcast, sometimes when you dress up bright enough, your feelings catch up. So I believe in bright colors. I believe in, shining. While I'm folding these clothes, I'm going to be cautious of clothes that I have not worn in a while and I would like to see to wear quickly. So I'm going to make sure that I arrange clothes that I actually want to wear. This time I just made them. I want to arrange clothes that I'm actually going to wear soon in front, so I can see them and grab them, right? It is wardrobe as an open plan, so I could be able to see the clothes easily and openly. Clothes, as time goes on, blends into each other, and so you might not know them. But so this is my wardrobe, and so I know every single piece. Once I see it, I don't need to see it in full. I know what piece this is. It's something I'm convinced I don't have enough of, and I feel like are so easy are big shirts. So I really like this one. This one has the same design front and back, and I just feel like it makes it so easy to just on weekends if I want to go somewhere, I throw it on. If I want to go running around, I throw it on. It looks cute on jeans, on shorts, on skirts, whatever. I want to go to work, I'm not in the mood to dress up, I throw it on. I can style it with a blazer, with anything. So I just feel like t-shirts, especially big t-shirts, like men's size, I feel like it's so dynamic, flexible, and such a good whatever in your wardrobe. I've never bought any, but I always feel like I really need to get more. But close to the jeans and the pants, if there's a color or like an outfit you want to wear, let's say you wake up in the mood to wear a particular jacket, or you just got this jacket, or you just can't see this and you want to pair it with something. And like I said, right, colors, if you're not sure what to wear it with, something I usually do is I just put things side by side. Like for example, see this together, quite lovely, eh? So sometimes I'll just do that. Sometimes I'll try this, I'll put this together. It's not even deliberate. Like I would just I would say okay, and it goes with everything here, and I'll just look around. I'll be like okay, obviously I'm not gonna wear this together. I'll just be like okay, and then just see which one works best. It's your wardrobe, just place them, contrast them together. Okay, which color looks good to you, which one do you like? And then even if you aren't sure, like you can always try them on. I try clothes on the day before so that I don't have to rush wherever I'm going to. I just got these pants. My mom was the one that convinced me, because they're like corduroy and they are so cute, right? They're a little bit shorter, so I'm just going to make sure I always wear them with kicks, heels, things that would not make it obvious that they're a tiny little bit shorter. They're so cute, and I thrifted them, so yeah. I think there'll be certain colors that you'll be partial to, that in your mind matches every single thing. Like me now, pink. I'm convinced that it goes with everything. Look at these colors together. Look at these colors together. Like I said, this is not a folding tutorial, so mind your business, okay? Oh, what you fold things this way to be better? Hey. Also just made this. I separated the bottom part of my friend's aso-ebi and made it into a cute top. Such a lovely fabric. I haven't even gone very far, and I've seen clothes I've changed my mind about. I think the last time I tried to wear this, it was very uncomfortable. The cutouts were just not in the right place, and then I wore this and I just was not feeling it. It just felt like it wasn't doing anything for me. And then I've had this for a while, right? And I realized that I've been passing over it. I would see it right there. I'm looking for a jacket, but I would pick something else. I think I wore it one last time just to do goodbye, but I found a way to bring it into the house with me. But now it will not make it here. It is not one of the chosen. Hey, 3.5 hours later ish, and I'm done with my wardrobe. So I had to make more space for things that I was going to hang. I had to squeeze some things in. And see, tops are definitely taking up more space. And see some jeans, some more fun jeans, and then like some middle pants and like casual wear in the middle, and then pants kind of overlay up to even the bottom. Like there's like I think I have 2 extra lines of pants, jumpsuit, shorts, if you see, because like I said, I like pants, and I'm not even happy yet. I'm not even happy yet. I have fabrics I want to use. So what I just majorly realized is that when you know what style suits you, it's good to just get it a lot. It's good to just have more of it in your closet so that you can wear more of it. I have a lot of colors in here, and so whenever I want to wear anything, the way I've laid it out, there's enough space for me to see what is in that corner, enough space for me to see what is in this corner, because that's how wide the wardrobe is, and then I'm able to just see everything that I need to. And if I have any style in mind, maybe I browse through my mood board on Pinterest and I want to put something together, I can visually see my whole wardrobe to make that choice. Anyways, I hope you found this video really helpful. Might even say enjoyable. I'm going to go ahead and say enjoyable. I'm just going to say that. Okay, thank you. Anyways, please make sure to like and subscribe, okay? Like and subscribe. Thank you. Let me go and faint somewhere.